So construction we don't require actually. So we will do in triangle. What two triangles do we have? PQS and QSR. PQS and triangle QSR. What you can write? What is common? Yes, what is common? What we can say for the triangle? Okay, one triangle I'll take as PQR and another one triangle QSR. So if you see PQR and QSR, you have angle R common. So what we can write? Angle R equals to angle R. In the bracket we can write it as common angle. Next, when we can write each angle is 90 degree. है ना? If you can see, each angle is 90 degree. Where you can write each angle is 90 degree? QSR, angle QSR equals PQR, angle PQR. Bracket each angle 90 degree. Okay, next they are saying that they by these two, what we can say, by RHS, angle similarity, triangle PQR is similar to triangle QSR. We can write angle similarity. Next is, now we can write the proportion like, okay, okay, for the small one, if you see QR upon 90 degree opposite and QR upon PR is equals to yes, QR upon PR is equals to QR upon SR. So when you cross multiply, you get QR square is equals to PR into PR into SR square. Question number 1. Similarly, when you prove when you will take the another triangle, the top triangle for PQS and PQR, triangle PQS and triangle PQR, you will be able to prove that PQ square is equals to what we can say, PS, just a minute, PRSR, PRSR. So you can say PS, PR. Question number 2. Otherwise you can solve the whole thing. Okay, now adding equation number 1 and 2. You have to add equation 1 and 2. So when you will add, you will get the right hand sides are QR, PQ. PQ square plus QR square is equals to PR plus SR, adding the, oh wait, here it's multiplication, and then add it with PS, PR. So here if you take PQ square plus QR square is equals to, what is common you can take is PR. So SR plus PS remains. So what is SR plus PS? SR plus PS is how much? PR only. So bracket again you will write PR only. So it is next PQ square plus QR square is equals to PR square. So hence proved. Now coming to the question number 36, B part. Okay. Now in 36B part, if you see, given in triangle given PQR, line L is drawn perpendicular to side QR to intersect side PQ at A and side PR at B respectively. So BF perpendicular to side PQ. Yes. So for that what we can do is, we'll come to draw the question first. So 36, I think option A1 was much easier. Option B we can skip and we can move for the 37th question. 37th. From the top T of the tower TP, let us draw the figure. TP 30 degree, 15 meter C, and this TP. A man finds an angle of depression of car at a point C on the ground to be 30 degree. If the car is at distance of 15 centimeter from the foot of the tower, then find the height of the tower. Okay, so basically you have been given this, you have to find out this, and you have 30 degree as the angle. So this, if this is the angle, this is going to be your perpendicular we can say, or sometimes people say opposite. This is, we can say, base, or we can say adjacent. So in the formula if you see what ratio gives us with opposite and adjacent, that is 10. So if you apply 10, 30 here, you will write all the given things. Okay, I'll write all the given things. You will first write given PC equals to 15 centimeter, angle TCP equals to 30 degree. To find TP, so 1030 equals to, what is 10 for ratio is opposite upon adjacent, so it is TP upon PC. Okay, so TP is, we'll keep it as TP only, and PC is 15. So 1030, how much is 1030? Acha, to find out this, what we can do is, in short, I'll tell you one trick. 0 degree, first only when your exam starts now, then only you can make the table. Okay, 60 degree, 90 degree. You will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, first what you can do, you can remember for the sign, and then cos is just reverse of that. I do it with this way method. So dividing each by 4 and then finding out the roots of each number, the whole fractions, will give you the value of sine first. Let us see. Sine theta. Okay. 0 upon 4 is nothing but 0 only. 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon root 2. Root 3 upon 2, and here is 1. Then cos theta, what I said, it you have just have to bring the from the behind. 1 upon 2 and 0. 10, how do you get 10? You get it by dividing this. 0 upon 1 is going to be 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2 is going to be 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2 is going to be 1. Root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2 is going to be root 3. 1 upon 0 is not defined. So we got it. Otherwise, in some cases, if you just remember the sign, you can do the cos by reversing the order, and then you divide. For 10, you divide sine by cos. The values of sine divided by values of cos. So from this you can take that 1030 is 1 upon root 3. Coming back to the question, so 1030 is 1 upon root 3 equals to TP upon 50. So if I cross multiply, I get it as 15 into 1 is equals to TP into root 3. So now TP equals to 15 into 1 is 15. TP equals to 15 upon root 3, because I want to calculate the value of TP, the height of the tower. So 15 upon root 3. Now here what we can do, we can rationalize. Last year in the 9th standard we have learned how to rationalize. We don't keep the denominators of any fraction with the roots. So we rationalize this way. So this way you get 15 root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? That is 3. So you can cancel this. You get 5 root 3. Now when you see the question, you have been given the value of root 3. Yes? So root 3 value is given as 1.73. So 5 into 1.73 when you will do, you will get the value of TP. So 1.73 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36. 3 carry. 5 1s are 5. 6 7 8. Decimal you will put 2 places before. So 2 places. So this is your height of the tower. So you will write therefore height of the tower is 8.65 meters. Okay. Now coming to the 39th question. A semicircle is drawn with the segment PR. A semicircle is drawn with the segment PR. Okay, I'll draw this. Okay, just ignore this. Okay, so next is now, and then again in that semicircle you have two more semicircles like this. Semicircle is drawn with the segment PR. PR. This is your Q. This is your center point of that two semicircles. Q is the midpoint of that segment. Sorry. PR. Two semicircles with segment PR and QR as diameter are shown. If PR is 28 centimeter, okay, so if PR is 28 centimeter, so how much will be PQ? Equals to QR, because that are the radius will be 14 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find out the radius also of PQ and QR, which will be same, right? If I put this O here, I'll put as O dash. So P O dash equals to, no, wrong. Just a minute. PO equals to half of 40, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, now coming to the finding the area of shaded portion. So first we'll write the formula. Area of circle is how much? Pi r square. For the semicircle, it is just half of the circle. Area of semicircle, pi r square divided by 2. Okay, so now keeping the value, now we are finding out first for the whole PR, semicircle PR. First, area of semicircle PR. So pi, they have not, they have told that pi value you have to put as 22.7. R is what for PR? It is R is 14. Remember, you don't get confused. It is 14. 14, and then also divide by 2. So you just cancel 7 times 2, 2. So what remains is 22 into 14. So how much it is? 22 into 14. 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. 1 2 is 2. 0, 2 1 is 2, 3. 308. Because it is area, it is going to be centimeter square. Now, area of the two small semicircles. Area of two small semicircles. So that is 2 multiplied by pi r square divided by 2. 2 why? This 2 is because of two small semicircles are there. Pi r square upon 2 is, this is because area of semicircle is this formula. So when you solve them, you get this 2 and 2 cancelled. You are only remaining with pi r square. But remember, this time the r value is different because we are finding out for the small semicircle. So 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. This time the r is 7. So 7 gets cancelled. Now it gives you 154 centimeter square. Now they are asking for the area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion. So area of big, area of semicircle, or we can say big semicircle, minus area of two small semicircles. Which gives you 308 minus 154. So it is 4, 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 centimeter square. So 154 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion. Okay, last coming for the question number 40. The circus tent has cylindrical base with radius 20 centimeter. So what is given? We will write all the given things first. Height is 20 meter. Okay. The height of the whole tent is, okay, height of cylinder is, height of cone, how we will find out? 41 minus 20 gives you 21 meter. Okay, then the radius for the cone is same, 20 meter only. Then the total area of the tent, the total height, so find the whole area, volume of the whole tent. So volume of whole tent is equals to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. So volume of cylinder is how much? If you see, what is the formula of cylinder? Yes, anyone?